I know that you are doing lots of volunteer activities. I would like to ask you about this.
I'm really understand and really think. Sometimes in your life you need to volunteer. So before, I think it's been 7 or 6 years, I don't know exactly time, I just start to, me and my friend make a project in Jerusalem. This project is a soccer project. Why soccer? Because soccer is what happens in the world today. A lot of children, and every children in the world sees soccer, and soccer is famous, it's stars, and everyone want to be like stars. And we just decided to do a soccer project, but we put another thing in soccer. Soccer is not important here. Soccer is part of the project. The project is the two goals. And the first one is to take this child out from the neighborhood, because if this child afternoon after school be in the neighborhood, they don't going to do the homework, they're going to fight, they're going to do vandalism, and we don't want these things happen. So we just give them two things. First of all, we bring a professional coach and give them a practice for football. They have a big competition in every month. They can get a cup, but this is not the meaning. We bring a professional teacher and they help them in the homework. They help them with the solve of problem in home, and they also help them to solve the society problem. It means problem between Jewish and Arab. Problem with people that we call these Spanish people, like Mizrahi in Israel, from the people that come from Ashkenaz country. So the problem with Ethiopian and Jewish is with religious people and not religious people. To solve the racism inside here, we just understand to meet the others. But after that, it's really work in Jerusalem. We work like 3 years, and after that we understand we have a power. We need to be more strong, and we are being the center of Israel. After 8 years, we are being in every place in Israel. And I just work in Jerusalem with Ethiopian child, and after that I just moved to the north. I work in some city in the periphery of Israel, like Chatzor HaGlilit. After that, I just moved to Tel Aviv. But in Tel Aviv, I work in Jaffa, and I just understand one thing. It was my dream. What I understand is that the team of child that meet each other, meets different from them one time in months. It means when we make a big competition, the team from the Arab village will meet the team from the Jewish village and from the Ethiopian neighborhood, and they will meet each other and they will start to play against each other. So I understand that I feel that we miss the important thing. So I just went to Jaffa and I just went to the manager over there and tell him I want to do a different thing. He asked me, what do you want to do? I want to do a mix. I want to take this team, and even I want to open two teams, and I want the team, the child will be Jewish child, Ethiopian child, girls, and also Arabs, Palestine over there, because I want to make a mix. I want to solve a problem inside my project. I want when I'm going to tell when the teacher going to tell them about to see the others. I want the others will be inside the class. I want the others solve this problem now. They will grow up. They will going to learn together. They're going to be a team together.
And not wait until they will be adults, but...
Yeah, I just want to solve the problem now. And it's really make me happy to see Arabs, Jewish and Ethiopian and girls play together, try to fight together their team. They don't care. Because competition, you see, they don't care. I just feel like they be together, they one thing and say, why not? It makes me so happy to see that. See that we can solve a problem. They play together and they don't really think about it. They don't really think, I'm Jewish, Ethiopian, Palestine, but I need to play with him. Don't think about it. You think he's part of my team, so we will win together because we are a team, we are together, we are one unit, we don't care.